व्हाट्स द प्लान? क्या प्लान है अभी? Why are you wearing your fucking socks? कहाँ जाना है? कौन से जूते पहन रहा है? UNC's? हेलो, अरे डरी नहीं। अरे 15 मिनट से खड़े हैं यार हम नीचे।
15 मिनट से नहीं, 5 मिनट से खड़े हो।
15 मिनट से खड़े। हेलो,
हाँ तो फिर हर्ष को मैसेज करना नहीं आता।
ये क्या है? फिर से लगने क्यों चल रहे हो?
अरे क्या तो है ही ना प्रॉब्लम।
तो ठीक हो गया था ना?
ऐसे थोड़ी ठीक हो गया था।
अच्छा चलो चलो, वाइपर नीचे करो जल्दी। What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So currently we are heading out for lunch because Sonal does not like to eat at home.
Whoa.
So she wastes the food at home and she takes out for lunch every day.
The food was made. You fuckers wanted to go out. Hey, I want to go out.
No, we didn't want to go out. You said you want to go for lunch. You only called and said chalo chalo chalo. है ना हर्ष?
Shit, my God, such fucking liars.
अच्छा by the way, आपका वो इनफ्लेम बेचा था ना अपन ने?
हाँ।
तो आपके बेकिन आ गए दुकान में, तो अभी बैंड्रा जा रहे तो ले ही लेते ना।
तो आएंगे मेरे पास कब आएंगे?
नहीं तो अभी बैंड्रा जा रहे तो पिक कर लेंगे ना मेरी सीट से। आपको नहीं चाहिए तो बेकिन लेके जा। हर्ष, what are we eating?
Pizza and fries.
अरे what pizza? दीदी what are we eating?
It's only pizza, okay.
Have you ordered something truffle fries, na? Parmesan truffle fries.
Harish, you know what is truffle? You want to have truffle fries?
So,
बता
it's an expensive ingredient which makes the food taste more good.
अच्छा, do you know how truffle looks? Hey, bad.
How much does it cost?
I think it's like 1.5 or 2 lakh rupees a kilo.
A kilo.
A kilo.
So it's like spices or oil or what?
No, it's like how you get mozzarella cheese. You get something, you get balls like that, and you have to just like grate it on top of your food, or you can just flavor your food with it.
Usually they write it as truffle oil.
पर ये सब का फायदा क्या है? जहाँ भी जाएंगे हर just wants to eat pizza.
Yeah, I didn't understand why you're having a pizza.
Wherever we go, you just want to eat pizza.
Italian restaurant.
Yeah, but you're not supposed to have pizza everywhere. Pizza is Italian junk, not fine dine.
Bro, उंगली सीधी करना.
अच्छा लास्ट टाइम दिखाया नहीं था, दिखाना करना सीधी करना. अरे अच्छे से कर.
Okay.
दीदी,
हाँ.
what's on feed today?
Let's not talk about it.
Again bro, she's wearing Fila disruptor.
समझाओ, please comment down.
They are comfortable, okay.
हर्ष,
क्या?
कैसा लग रहा है 3 पिज्जा खा के?
कौन खाया पिज्जा?
Yeah, see, he's taken for home also.
Taken for home also. Oh God, bro, you need help, bro. By the way, दीदी, आपको बोलना भूल गया
Hi.
कि जूते मेन स्ट्रीट में नहीं है, घर पर ही है.
यार तुम क्या पागल हो क्या?
वो कल हिमांशु आया था, वो लेके आया
तो
था.
मैंने तुमसे पूछा था, तुमने क्या बोला? दीदी दुकान पे पड़ी.
अरे हिमांशु घर पे आया था, फीफा खेल रहे थे हम लोग, तो वो घर पे लेके आया था, तो मैं भूल गया. तो
तुमको दिखता नहीं है क्या तुम्हारे घर में?
मेन स्ट्रीट नहीं जाना है, अभी सीधा घर जाते हैं.
चलो
यार बहुत ही फटीचर हो यार तुम लोग. हट यार, तेल लेने जाओ. हट.
दीदी, here's your bacon.
Thanks, finally.
Open it.
It's not opening, yeah.
वैसे सबने देखा है चैनल पे, पर ठीक है.
But they are mine, not yours.
हाँ, who wants these fuck all shoes?
Then get one.
अच्छा, okay, open. You don't want to.
Finally, bro.
When I was giving you mine, you said you don't want.
Yeah, because I didn't like it then, but now I love it.
तूने क्या किया हर्ष?
हम तो बेकन खाते हैं, पहनते नहीं.
भाई तुम लोग.
भाई तू बेकन खाता ही नहीं है, वही खाती है बेकन, तो she should wear it.
अरे यार इन जनरल बोल रहा हूँ.
अच्छा तूने कौन सा जूता लिया?
मैंने नहीं लिया.
क्यों? तेरा बर्थडे आ रहा है ना?
अरे तो
बर्थडे आ रहा तो पिज्जा खाएगा ना, थोड़ी जूता लेगा.
By the way, 30th July is Harsh's birthday and 2nd August is my birthday.
So you guys have to just keep DMing Harsh again and again and again. Just keep wishing him and calling him whatever.
So we have taken out average dates of 31st and 1st August. So those are the 2 days that we are going to be going out for the weekend. So yeah, I'm planning to do a couple of daily vlogs. It's more like a trial that we'll have like 4 or 5 daily vlogs and let's just see how that goes. I really want to see how you people like it and
hey यार ऐसा नहीं, you have to like it यार, come on, ऐसा क्या है?
I mean, because everyone is watching more of the vlogs and liking it, which is why I said we'll try that. And if that works well, then probably once in a month we'll do like a series where we will do 7 vlogs back to back.
Wow, that'll be so much fun.
But obviously it is always going to be something around sneakers, not sneaker dedicated videos, but that is what my life is and that is what is going to happen even if it is a daily vlog.
They're looking so sad.
like them?
I love it. I love it.
Anyways, you have bought it, not that I bought it for you.
हाँ तो मैं ही दे रही ना पैसा. अभी मेरे को साथ में बेकन चाहिए. एक प्लेट बेकन ला दो यार. बेकन करेंगे.
आप सो रहे हो गए ना तो मैं लेके जाके भेज दूंगा.
अबे तू कौन है? कौन तू यार? कौन है?
I want to buy that Dunglows.
Which Dunglows? That cheetah?
Giraffe, no?
Cheetah, ना his name is.
है कि giraffe?
हाँ. He wants.
अरे वो जो zebra और cheetah पैक आया था ना.
He wants to buy Dunglows, but he doesn't know giraffe है कि cheetah है कि आलू बटाटा है. Oh, potato.
जूता कौन सा है पता नहीं और लेना है. By the way guys, before I forget, this Friday night we are having a live event over a Zoom call. It's not going to be a YouTube event where you can just come and watch. It's going to be a Zoom call which you can take part in. It's going to be an interactive event. We're going to have some fun and games. But the main object of that event is we are holding a sneaker auction for the first time, obviously under Main Street Metro. So all you have to do is go to the link in description and subscribe for only rupees 9.99. As usual, you already know about Metro. So what's going to happen is after you subscribe, we're going to take you on a Zoom call and all the other people who have subscribed, and we are going to do a live auction of these 10 sneakers that you can see on the screen, and the bids will be starting at ₹1 only. So this is your chance to get one of your favorite sneakers for as cheap as possible. It totally depends on who likes which sneaker, who does not like what, and accordingly you guys are going to bid and probably win the sneaker for maybe half the price or even 30% of the price, who knows, or maybe even for ₹1 if no one else wants it and you're the only one who wants it. So all you have to do, like I said, is go to the link in description, subscribe to Metro for 9.99, and we'll see you over a Zoom call on Friday night.
Bro,
हाँ
आपने शिकागो क्यों पहना है?
शिकागो क्यों पहना मतलब और क्या पहनूं?
Travis?
अरे ट्रैविस बोर हो गए कितने बार पहनेंगे यार? डोंट यू थिंक? अरे आई हैव बीन वेयरिंग दैट ट्रैविस स्कॉट every single day.
In Travis Scott, I've been seeing.
No, see what the point is, now I'm the only one who has that sneaker, okay?
Right.
So I want to wear it the most I can because after 29 July, the whole world is going to get that sneaker because that is probably the sneaker of the year.
Definitely, yaar.
By the way, guys, I don't know if you guys must have noticed, but a new sneaker has surfaced online, which is the sample version of the Travis Scott fragments, and this time around they are in the OG fragment color blocking with the reverse swoosh and a huge fragment logo on the heel tab. I'll just leave the photo on the screen. I really like that one better than what is releasing. What do you think, Harsh?
No, I think the official one is better.
Why?
Official means official one is better.
But why is this not better?
I don't like this big
Show.
I don't like this big fragment logo.
But that is what is making it different, na? It's like a tribute to the OG fragment Jordan 1. OG is OG, but that not a lot of people can buy, na? Because actually even this no one cannot buy. I mean, no one can buy because.
ऐसा कोई मेरे
So
level
this
का
is-
थोड़ी होने वाला है कि everybody can buy.
नहीं आपके लेवल का तो लो भी नहीं होने वाला है वो जाने दो.
Don't act smart.
हाँ बेकन खाओ और बेकन पहनो बस.
I'm very happy. People, you all should buy the shoes I buy. Okay.
So guys, what do you feel? What do you feel about these sample Travis Scott? In my opinion, I think they are way better, and I would have personally liked to have that one in my permanent collection because if you guys have been watching my videos, then I've been hunting.
वो जो ऑफिशियल है फ्रैगमेंट वाला
हाँ.
उसका कलर ब्लॉकिंग इज यूनिक. कोई भी दूसरा स्नीकर नहीं है वैसा.
नहीं बट ये सैंपल का कलर ब्लॉकिंग नहीं. आई मीन द शेड ऑफ ब्लू इज सेम.
Bro, इसके हिसाब से हर जूता यूनिक ही रहता है. आने के बाद सब बंगाल हो जाता है.
नहीं वो तो दो दिन पहन के उसको नहीं चाहिए रहता कोई और
नहीं
चीज.
प्लीज ये बकवास कर रहा है. यूनिक रहता है प्लीज वॉक.
Anyways, in my opinion, I think these samples are way better, and I'm going to try if there are a couple of sneakers. मैं बात कर रहा हूँ दीदी. So if there are a couple of sneakers in different sizes in that sample, then I'm going to try to get one. I don't know how much it's going to cost, but honestly, I would have preferred to have that one instead of the OG fragment as well. But anyways, people have different opinions. You might like something else. I like this one. So Harsh, is it a cop or a drop for you? अरे the samples.
हाँ वो भी टॉप है.
अरे अभी तो तू बोला कि अच्छा नहीं है. रिटेल वर्जन इज गुड.
It is better but ये भी अच्छा है.
Okay, anyways guys, I'm going to end this video here. I think we've had enough of nonsense for today. So the next video is going to be the upcoming releases that a lot of you guys have been asking for. I understand a lot of new audience has come to the channel, so you do not know, but I do that every month. So yeah, the next video will be that, and after that, like I said, we're going to have a couple of daily vlogs since it's Harsh's birthday as well as mine. So yeah, that's all for today. If you're watching till here, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.